it's me, and today I am with my two very special guests, my brother Dylan, say hi.
Hi.
And my sister Madeline. So today we're going to be making a new kind of slime in this little color chemistry set. So first we need the coloring mixing strips, color inks, which are these. Sorry, they're not in the camera. Model Magic clay. Measuring cups. Measuring cups. We also need measuring spoons, water, lotion, which we don't have, so we don't need it. Lotion, contact lens solution. No, it's this. Contact lens solution. We also need some baking soda, which I don't know if we have. I don't know. We do have some baking soda. Okay. We also need mixing bowls. Mixing bowls. We also need 2 mixing bowls. So we're just gonna make it.
One to me.
We also need the container.
One to me.
Yeah, it's okay. Hold on. Can you go get mixing bowls, please? Thank you.
And these.
And these. So actually, no. We just need the school glue, which is this. I think this is school glue. I'm not sure.
What kind of mixing bowls?
Just like 2 little mixing bowls.
That goes.
Like
that
bowls.
one
Just regular bowls.
But
She doesn't know what bowls are.
3 bowls.
Yeah, we actually need 3 bowls because Dylan wants to make some. Alright, so the first step. So what we're going to do now is we're waiting for my sister, Madeline, to get the mixing bowls. So Dylan would like to show you his PJ Masks toys.
Hello, cow.
He has a gecko mobile, and he has, you can get it, he has an owl glider. He has an owl glider with Owlette, Catboy, and
Here you go, Brandy.
Thank you. So now,
And guys, how did you find Catboy cat car?
and he needs to find Catboy's cat car. Alright, so the first step is to combine 3/4 cup.
No, she's on.
It's okay, just let it go.
She's doing her steering wheels.
Yeah, just let her go, Dylan. Alright, so we need to combine
No.
3/4,
Stop.
3/4, which I don't know, mommy. 3/4 is equivalent to what? Which one of these numbers?
No.
This is why you need an adult, because they need to know the measurements. 3/4 would be which one of these numbers? So while we're waiting for that, guys, while we're waiting for that, we're gonna show you.
Hey,
We're gonna show you the bowl. So I'm just using
It doesn't tell you how many milliliters?
No, it just does 3/4 cup of glue. So right now we just have one of these bowls. My brother has this purple owl bowl, and my sister has the same bowl as me. Wait, hold on, not yet. Maybe. So guys, now, okay, so, we also need this thing. I don't know what it's called. It's like a dropper, like an eyedropper. I'm not sure. And this is why we need this, because this is cool. So we also need that. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a new kind of slime. So it says the first step is combine 3/4, which I actually know what 3/4 looks like. So 3/4 of glue, so it's like that. Don't get your hand out of the bowl.
Get out!
Okay, watch out, Madeline. I need to see your bowl. So I know what 3/4 looks like. Alright. Now, Dylan.
Why you put it in there?
Because you're supposed to.
Dylan, now you got stuff all over your hands.
Dylan.
I don't want it all in it. Dylan, you have to so you can make
Here.
the clay stuff.
Yeah, you have to make the
I
slime.
have no idea.
I'm just eyeballing it.
Now,
because I have no idea.
There's someone.
Just start with 100.
Yeah,
I guess.
that's what we're doing.
Now put.
Clean up the. All right, I'm gonna give my brother new. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna give my brother new glue because he accidentally.
I need more.
Okay. Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties here. Yeah, go wash your hands.
I'm gonna get more.
Yeah, he's gonna go wash his hands because he didn't know that I put glue in it. Now he does.
Yeah, because it's clear.
It's clear glue, so he doesn't know. Give me the paper towels. He doesn't know. He didn't know that.
You just got it all over the chair.
Yeah, I know. Technical difficulties at the Bear and Adams family. At the Bear Attack family house. So, now go get some disinfecting wipes. Those wipes that we went to clean the table. They're somewhere.
Right here.
Disinfecting wipes.
This is right here?
Yeah, just get them. Wait.
Wait.
Sorry, guys.
No, Jessica.
Grab a wipe and then put it back. Alright, grab a wipe and wipe the table. Technical difficulties at the Bear Attack family household. I'll just grab a wipe and then put it back. Alright, put it back behind the thing. Put it back behind the thing. Put it back behind the thing. Okay.
I'm back.
Alright, he's back. He did his hands. Now,
No, wait, don't sit down yet.
okay. Give me the wipe. Hold on, give me the wipe. Get more paper towels to clean up his chair. To wipe this chair off. Don't sit yet. So I'm so sorry about this, guys. It's just technical difficulties at the Adams household. Yeah, dry it off. Okay, now we can start the video again. I am so sorry, guys. So,
Now put more in the bowl.
yeah.
I actually want my hand after the video. I'm gonna do. Really?
Yeah, your hands are gonna get
want
messy
my
anyway.
hand after the video.
Okay, so yeah, your hands are gonna get messy anyway. Alrighty! So, now, sit down. You can sit down now. You can sit down now. It's okay, there's nothing on the chair. There's nothing on the chair. Alright, so Dylan, now there's glue in your bowl. Alright, so you see it's clear, so...
I'm getting on the glue.
Okay, so now the next step is to
Get that cake.
1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lotion into bowl and then mix until thoroughly combined. So I feel like this is the baking soda.
I need my hand.
I will be right back.
I'm like, get the lotion. Get the lotion. Smack. No. Can you lift your eyebrows? Yeah, do that. Do that. Do that. Do this. Do this. Dylan. Dylan. Calm down. Good. Stop.
I don't know what baking soda. So Dylan. So I don't know where baking soda is, guys. Like I don't think it came with baking soda, because it doesn't say like baking soda anywhere. So I don't know what to do. Literally, this is slime part B.
In the cabinet, on the very top.
But I looked there. Can you go get it? Because I looked there. I don't see it. So
You have to look with your
So,
eyeball.
I did. So I looked. Oh, you're not even in the thing. Come over here. You're not even in the shot. You're not even in the shop.
Ah!
So I guess we can't make slime
Oh my God.
unless we get baking soda. Go get baking soda.
I did
So- Stop. Alright, so,
I'll go get it.
alright, look for it. It's on the top shelf. So now, in the same bowl, add contact lens solution, 1 teaspoon at a time. So this is the contact lens. Dylan, stop. Okay. What color would you like, Dylan?
Blue.
Which you want blue? Okay. So we're gonna do.
Wait, what's baking soda?
It's like a tin with powder inside. I don't know what it is, honestly. Okay, so I'm gonna add some blue
Or me.
for my brother. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Mommy, could you help me?
Madeline, what color would you like?
Can I have blue?
Yeah. Everybody wants blue. We're gonna make sure they get a lot. Oh, can you go help her?
No.
Alright.
I want yellow again. I want yellow. I want to make it rainbow.
No. It's gonna
Why?
make it look brown. Okay, now we're gonna mix it.
I need to mix it. Wait. I need to get a mix.
Oh, it's kind of activating already. It's kind of already activating a little bit. Look. It's kind of already activating. If you guys can see. You guys probably
It's
can't.
already purple.
Yeah, look. It's kind of already activating a little bit. If you guys can see. But,
I need it.
okay, hold on. So, wait, I'm going to give you another one. So, hold on, I'm going to go get you something. So, Dylan is going to show you his slime while I go get everyone else mixing.
No, I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay, here you go. You can have a yellow. So, does everyone have their color in, right? Mix it up. Mix it,
Mine's
mix it.
already dark blue.
Yeah.
Mine's already blue.
Do you want some yellow, Dylan?
No, yeah.
You do? Alright, it's gonna make it like a tealish. There you go. It's gonna be very pretty. Oh, mix it up nicely.
No, not during brown. It's during yellow. No, look, it's green.
Yeah, it's like a green.
Yeah. Could I have a little bit purple in mine?
Yeah. Actually, I don't have any more, so just gonna add some red. Make it a little purple. I'm only gonna add 1 drop because I really
want red.
No, I like your green. You
But
can have 1 drop of red, but I don't want to ruin your slime. It actually looks really nice.
Now
Okay, so now we're gonna be adding this
It's red.
to
I
it.
still need to make it's already purple.
Whoa!
No, it's a green.
It's still green, but it's kind of turning purple.
Ew, mine's pretty.
Really?
Yeah, look. I have.
Oh, it is pretty. That's
I
so pretty.
need black.
No.
Black. No, there's no black. Oh.
Brandy,
What?
the baking soda, I don't think I can see it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
But I
Now
thought
we're doing black.
it should be like
Okay, let me-
in the box. It's
let me
not
see
in the
it.
tin.
Let me see.
I know.
I want to
So
see
now
it in
we're
the
gonna
light.
add some
Can
of
we
this.
see in the light? No. Oh my god. This is the activator. Activator.
It's not gonna work, guys, because we don't have baking soda. But we're just gonna add a little bit of contact solution, so that way when we add the baking soda,
Oh my
we'll be able to
goodness.
do it. Maybe this is baking soda.
Maybe baking soda used.
Hold on, I think this is baking soda.
I need more.
It does. But I don't know where. So mix it up, Dylan. Is it working?
Yeah.
It is? Is it forming?
Uh-huh.
Yeah! It is! We found baking soda, guys! It was slime part B.
Uh-oh, 40 minutes.
14. It says 14. You've been recording for 14 minutes.
Oh, I love my slime. It's so beautiful.
So now it says, in a second bowl, add 1/4 of Modern Magic and 1/4 cup water. Okay. So first, we're gonna,
Oh my goodness.
add some
Look at mine. Mine turning bigger. Mine are turning bigger.
Why does Dylan have a lot of that and I only have a little bit of... I need more glue.
I need
No,
more.
you don't.
I need more.
There is no more glue.
Yeah.
Alright, so now I'm gonna mix with my hands because, well, not you guys. Don't mix with your
Mine
hands.
only has a little bit, and Dylan has a lot, and you have a lot.
So give her more.
We can't. There's no more glue.
I want them.
Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna give you some. This is baking soda.
Baking soda.
Mix it up. Mine worked.
They're good.
Does it smell good? Actually, it
no.
smells really weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay.
Mine's forming.
Oh, guys! Oh my
It
god!
has green and the black.
We did
It
it.
has green and the black.
Guys, we made slime. Ours is
Randy, it has
activating.
green and the black.
Wow.
Yeah, ours is slowly activating.
I need more.
Need some more. There, Madeline. You need some more?
Yeah. Mine's jello.
Yeah.
Mine not.
Mine is.
Mine.
Feel mine. Well, don't feel it, but look at it.
That's
Well, look at
It's
mine.
becoming some more.
I look right.
Mine's
You need-
actually-
You need some more.
Yeah. I don't because it's coming.
Yeah, yours is coming. Ours is coming, guys.
I need more.
Alright, I'm gonna add it. Yes. Wait, mix it up. Let me see it. Alright. You need some more, yeah. Guys, when it starts like not sticking to the sides of the bowl,
Mine's
you guys could start touching it when
Mine is not sticking to the bowl.
but if you have long sleeves
I
on,
don't want to do it my dough.
Mine's not
okay,
sticking.
just add a little bit. Just add a tiny, tiny bit.
Mine's not
A
sticking.
tiny bit.
Mine's not sticking to the bowl.
That's it.
Mine's not sticking to the bowl.
Oh my goodness. Look at mine.
Brandy, mine's
This is
not.
actually becoming over
Brandy,
now.
mine's not sticking to the bowl.
Yes, it is.
She needs help.
I need
She
more.
doesn't need help.
I need
Hers
more.
is not sticking to the
I
sides of the
need
bowl,
more.
so that means no.
I
Dylan,
need
hold on,
more.
mix it. No, you don't. Look, keep mixing. Look,
I
Dylan.
need more.
But Dylan, I don't want you to add too much because then you'll overactivate it, and it won't be nice.
Look, it's not sticking to the bowl anymore.
Oh.
Well, then you can start kneading it. But Dylan, mix yours up. Let me see yours. Look how pretty mine is, guys. Let me see, Madeline. It's so nice. I can help you then. Madeline, mine feels so weird.
I need to get this off.
Mine is taking the bowl.
Just like take the
Mine
sides.
is taking the bowl.
Okay, do you want to go in with your hands or do you want to add some activator on your hands and then play with it so it doesn't stick to your hands?
Hey, I should have done that. Can you put a
Ba 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 ba.
Put them together.
Ba ba ba. I want them on my hand.
You want some on your hands so it doesn't stick to you?
I can hear Tatum snoring.
Okay, rub it together.
I can hear Tatum snoring.
And then he's going to sleep. He's going to sleep.
So sometimes you need to add some activator to your hands and then play with it. Just don't like...
Yours is already done. Mine isn't.
Yeah, but it's not done
and I'm
yet.
taking it in my hand.
It's not done yet because we still have to add activator. Oh, jeez.
Mine not taking it in my
difficulties
hand.
again.
Mine's not sticking in my hand.
It's not?
Mine not.
Yours isn't? That's good, though. That's good,
Oh
though.
my.
Mine's done.
Let me see. No, it's not.
Oh, yes,
You gotta knead it somewhere. Alright, guys. So,
Can you help me?
No.
yeah, hold on. So, Dylan, let me feel. Oh, Dilly. Whoa, Dilly.
Well, dilly dally.
So, we need to rip this page off because it is not working very well. And it's wet. So, Seek through.
Okay, don't touch my slime. I'm just gonna wash my hands.
Okay.
For you, baby.
So we ripped these 2 pages off because they got wet. So we're wiping off this area. Let me see yours. Oh, it's so beautiful. Alright, guys. So technical difficulties is over from now on. So let me see yours. Dylan, don't wipe it on your shirt. Oh, here, I'll knead it for you so you can play with it. Whoa, his is so clear. Look.
Oh my goodness.
This is his. He added black, red, blue, and yellow, and it became this color. So add like a lot, like 2 drops of blue, 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 black, and you'll get this beautiful green color if you want it. Now, his slime is, it's like so beautiful.
Yep, I am the winner.
We didn't even finish it yet. We still have to add the Model Magic for the clay slime to make it clay. Dylan, what are you doing?
I don't know.
So, oh jeez.
Good for you.
Okay. So yeah, this is his slime. We need to add a little more of this. He's gonna play with his outlet. Outlet, why don't you feel his slime?
Okay.
Sorry guys, we're gonna move these out of the way so you guys can see. We're gonna move it over so you guys can see our slime.
On my feet. I'm stupid.
So yeah, this is his.
Step in it.
You wanna step in it? Dylan, hold on. No, you can't. Don't step on it. Alright, and then the last and final step is coming up. I'm gonna need my sister's so I can show you. This is hers. She made it really good, actually. Hers is so nice.
I hurt my toe.
This is really nice, actually.
Oh my god! Ooh.
Wow. Hers is really good. Dylan, be careful. Don't get her anything. Don't do anything. Don't want to ruin her. Yeah, don't ruin her.
And not something on my hand.
Alright, but don't ruin her, Dylan.
Ow.
She's a really nice doll. Alright, Dylan, it's time for your best part. Alright. It is time for Model Magic! Model Magic! Yes. Alright, we only need 1 stick, so
But it's sticky.
it's fine. When you add the clay, it's not going to be sticky. So everyone take their piece of clay, here, Dylan, and knead it. Don't put it in yet. Just knead it until it's soft. Knead it until it's soft. Now your clay, if you like your color, you're going to make the clay the same color that you have your slime. So Madeline, what did you do to make that color? You made blue,
and then I added some red, and then I mixed.
So I'm going to make yours. Give me it. So Maddie, I'm going to make yours.
Like a ball.
Blue.
Then red. I
And then 1
And
drop.
I do blue, white, and red, and yellow.
Yep.
And then black.
Yeah.
I did black.
Alright.
Ew! And then into my slime.
Well, then don't put it in there. Just take it out.
Ew. Put them on mine.
Here, Maddie, need yours.
Put them on mine.
Alright, so you need some blue.
And yellow.
Need some blue. Yellow.
Mine's already starting to be fluffy.
Red. Some black.
Oh, what?
It's okay.
And that's a red.
And then the red.
It's starting to be very, very...
Wait, you added red? Hold on, don't mix it yet, Dylan.
No, he didn't add red.
It's okay. He wanted to add some red to his clay. What am I doing? I'm gonna mix it first.
Ew, mine's starting to be pretty.
Yeah, is it changing to be like the color that's yours?
It's turning.
It's turning. It's turning. Alright, keep mixing. Now with my clay, I'm gonna do purple. So I need to do
Oh my goodness.
red, 1 drop of red,
Mine drop. 1 drop of. Mine
and a
drop.
few
Mine had the drop.
drops of blue.
Mine drop. And I
It's
did drop. Mine's not. Mine's still white.
It's okay, just keep kneading it. It's gonna
Yeah, it's
change.
starting to turn pink.
Yeah, but I have some blue in there, so it's gonna turn purple.
It's turning black and
Sometimes
blue.
when
It's turning black and blue.
Mine's not even turning a color.
sometimes that doesn't happen. So when you add it into your thing, it's gonna be okay because then it will make it like a lighter color. When I tell you guys,
Oh my god, I have a stripe of blue and pink.
let me see. Oh, that's pretty. When I tell
I have blue
Oh,
and
look at
black.
that. Oh my god, look at
guys,
Dylan.
look how pretty.
I have blue and black.
Ew,
You made
look
great.
how pretty that is.
Dylan made black.
Madeline, look.
Oh my
Maddie,
god.
look,
Dylan.
Maddie.
Seriously. I want to do that color.
Well, you don't have that color. You have you have a really okay. So you want to do the same color?
I want to mix it for you.
No, Maddie. I want to do my own.
It's so pretty.
3 there, and then 2 these.
I got the ripping it.
So,
That looks
geez,
beautiful.
yours didn't even turn a color. Hold on. I don't want you to dye your hands. I'm
No.
gonna start mixing.
I dumbo
Hold on, I'm just
melon.
gonna mix all the coloring. All right, now you can. Look how pretty mine is, guys. Now you know that
Look
water,
at mine.
guys. You know that water that we have.
I like mine.
Now, what we're gonna do with that water is we're gonna add some of that water to our clay, and when we do that to our
No, mine's not done mixing it.
My farted.
so mix all of the color in, and once your color is all mixed, you're gonna take some of that water, and you're gonna put it in. You're gonna dip your clay in and hold it in for 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Now you're gonna mix it up, and it's gonna become softer and softer.
I want to do that.
Hold on, not yet.
Mine's still,
All right, mine's soft. Oh, ready, Dylan?
still see white.
Ready?
I still see white.
Go. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna take it out. Gonna mix it up. Dylan, look.
Mine's starting to become very pretty. It's purple.
Okay, you ready? Count. Ready? Go.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gonna mix it up.
I have rats on my head.
No, you don't. Let me
You
see.
do. Let me see.
Let me see.
Does he do?
No.
Okay. So now you're gonna take your clay.
It is cold.
Take the clay that you have
Where mine? Oh.
and mix.
it's stretchy.
And take your clay and mix it up. And then you're
My
gonna.
rat is
Now, guys,
here.
listen. Take your slime and dump it out on the table.
Take one.
Take your slime.
It's still sticky.
It's okay. And then dump it out on the table. Take your slime.
Okay.
Dump it out on the table. Now what you're gonna do is we're gonna stack our bowls.
Ow, ow.
Okay, ready, guys? And 3, 2, 1. You're gonna add your clay. Ready? 3.
I didn't get it on my hand.
It's okay, Dylan. Just add your clay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
One.
Add your clay. All of it, Madeline. All of it.
I put it in there.
All right. Yeah, go ahead. Add your clay and then mix it up.
Mine's starting to get me all.
Sorry, it's not gonna be sticky once you add all your clay in. Once you mix all your clay in, it's not gonna be sticky.
I want put them in there.
You want me to mix it in?
My slime. I didn't get it on my hand. It's still sticky.
Hold on, ready? It's okay, you gotta mix it in all the way.
Mine's not working.
Guys, come on. You didn't even try. Just keep mixing.
Oh my goodness.
It's not gonna mix in right away. You have to actually, like, mix it.
Wait, it's not sticking to me anymore.
Told you. See, guys? Butter.
Oh, give me it.
Hold on, yours isn't done yet.
Mine's not done either.
I'm keeping mix. I'm gonna keep mixing.
Uh,
Dylan, yours is so nice. I didn't know that like a chemistry set
I'm done.
would make such good slime. Yeah, it's
I'm
done.
done.
It's done.
Sticky.
Uh-oh.
Mine's still forming.
All right, guys. So look, if your guys look, if your slime is still sticky, just add a little more of this stuff.
Mine's not sticky. It's so fluffy. I need more red and more
No.
blue. I have a purple. I want red and blue.
No,
Dylan.
Dylan.
I want red and blue. You
Fine, Dylan. Look, yours is such a blue, pretty color.
I want blue and red.
All right. Oh, sorry.
I
You
made
want
a
blue
prettier
and red.
color than you guys.
All right, whatever.
Web. And I have red like a what?
And blue like Catboy.
And we're
And then some yellow.
it's actually butter. Yeah, it has green in it. Green is gecko.
Blue is Catboy and red is Owl.
It's actually butter. And what is bank for? Bank for Will Girl. And
Dylan, look, it's not going to do anything because you already colored your slime.
oh.
Is it still sticky? Touch it. Yeah, it's still sticky. All right. So guys, so if your
Why
slime,
you put it in my hand?
I didn't mean to. If your slime is still way too sticky, just take it and overactivate. Just
Ow.
overactivate it. You mix it all this.
I'm gonna play this with this forever and ever.
I didn't even get to mix mine in yet.
I'll mix it in for you.
No. I want to be the one that does it. I want to be the one that does it. So when you overactivate it, we can make a Minecraft video. So our next video is going to be a Minecraft video.
So comment down below if you liked this video. And
Yeah.
press that like button, the bell button.
Please, yeah, press the like button, press subscribe if you didn't already, and then click the bell to turn on notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. And please make sure to smash that like button. And yeah. So and smash that like button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.